welcome back to my channel. My name is Eve, and if you're new and you just stumbled upon my channel, consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to do the childhood tag question, which I found from Sis Joy in Your Heart. I'm gonna link her channel down below in the description box, and you may want to visit her channel. Filipino did not grow up with cereal on our table, so I don't have a favorite cereal, and I did not like cereal at all. Number 2, favorite show during childhood is Okay Ka Perico, Batibot, of course, and then Hit Bulaga, of course. What else? 3, I didn't have any best friend during my childhood. My favorite teacher is during my second year high school or secondary, Mrs. Rivera. She's teaching biology. She is my fave, and she looked like Tina Paner. Number 5. Oy, paboritong subject during childhood, nung high school ako, ang paborito ko ay biology at saka history. Awkward photo, eto. Hindi ko naman hindi ko na matandaan kung nagkakasakit ako o pinafake ko yung sakit ko, pero siguro. So yun, we had a dog, and I forgot the name na nito. So yun, childhood hobby, maglaro at maglaro. During my primary years or elementary, I never study. I never do my homework. I always play every day. Then number 10, ayun. So, ang paboritong laro ko nung bata ako ay ang Shato. Tapos, naglalaro kami ng 10-20. Tapos, patintero. Tapos, habulan. Tapos, naglalaro din kami ng Santa Cruzan. Gamit namin yung mga kumot. Yan. Paboritong costume? Wala. Nagkaroon ng mga costume. Lately na lang yung pagko-costume ng mga batang Pilipino. So, noon, ang costume namin, kumot. Paboritong artist noon, sila TGIF. Sila One Mig Bondok. Ay! Tapos, ay kilig. Sila Angelo De Leon, mga ganyan. So, right now, you should know already how old I am. Dang it. After school snacks, mga fishball, kikiam, ganyan, na nabibili sa labas. Tapos, when we reach home, we always buy pom-poms at saka chicharong manok. So, yun, inuulam namin yan ng mga kapatid ko sa kanin kapag walang ulam. Sa akin, I normally just buy snacks sa school. Minsan, ay nagbabaon din ako. Yan na yun, di ba? Ang bilis lang. So, thank you. Maraming salamat sa panonood, and I hope natawa kayo. And I hope na-reminisce nyo din ng inyong childhood. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I will see you in my next vlog or tag. Bye! And bago ko makalimutan, kailangan ko palang mag-tag ng 2 tao. So, ang itatag ko para sa childhood tag question na ito ay si na Pot Squared at Michelle Goes to Sweden. Sana mabisita nyo rin ang channel nila. Ganon din si Joy in Your Heart. So, I'm gonna link their channel down below in the description box. And that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.